Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am the downloader for XP Laserjet this year for Syria. You type here the driver delete, and please why I'm search the official website for you. I'm like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website you click here and please why is here for the website loading, and this here for the take automatic cure automatic take automatic cure operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for the title shows a different operating system, and this here for match the driver for the Linux, Windows, and Mac. I'm sure for the Mac, and this here for Mac version you click here. This here for Mac 12, Mac 11, Mac 13, this here for Mac 10. I'm sure for Mac 13 you click change. This here for Mac 13 support for the driver, and this here for easy install your the driver. If you need to load, you click here for button start to load. Okay, and this video I need to load driver for Windows 11 for the Windows and specific for the Windows 11 and the tag and install driver for the Windows 11, and click choose a different operating system, and this here for the Windows specific for the Windows 11, and this here for Windows 10, Windows 8.1, this here for Windows 8, Windows 7, and support for the Windows Server. And this video I need to load for Windows 11. Click here for the Windows 11, click change, and you scroll down, and this here for the driver recommended in the full. This here for support your the software for the printer, driver printer, driver scanner, and this here for driver Wi-Fi support. And if you need to download, you click here for button start download, and this here for your driver download. This why this here for your driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and please wait finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here file, and you click next, you click finish. This here for the take automatic your USB cable printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need link below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time.